It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the Jordan 5 Retro. I'm on Maniere Dusk. Let's go. Now, before we do, if you take a look at the box have letter A all throughout the box. Then you have Jumpman on both sides of the box. So, man, they did a good job, man, with the collab. They really did a good job. Let's go. Oh, okay. And if you look right here, I'm on Maniere right there. See that? Somebody has shoes on feet. Look nice. Look nice. All right, let's go. Oh, and the wax paper. There you go, have A's. Letter A all throughout the wax paper. All right, here we go. What you think, what you think, what you think? Drop a comment, man. Are these hot? Are these hot? Y'all let your boy know, man. Are these hot or what? Let's take the other one out. Now, the upper is nubuck. Yeah, and then if you look at the tongue, you have your reflective tongue. You see that? Your 3M reflective tongue. And on the right shoe, you have your Jumpman logo. And on the left shoe, you have your letter A. Now, if you go down on the tongue, you look real close, you have letter A going all throughout the bottom of that tongue, the outer side of the shoe, and the inner side of the shoe. On the other side of the tongue, the left shoe, you have I'm on Maniere, and on the right shoe, you have Michael Jordan's signature, okay? Now, the insole on both shoes, you have Nike Air, all right, with a black sock liner. Now, if you look at the air bubble on each shoe, you have I'm on Maniere written on the center of the air bubble. It's not for me, not my thing, but it is what it is, all right? Now, if you look at the shark teeth, you have burgundy shark teeth. If you look at the bottom of the shoe, you have the letter A on the right shoe, and you have the Jumpman logo on the left shoe with Nike in the middle, all right? The 2-3. Now on the white pair, the 2-3 pop, but on this one, you can barely see the 2-3. And on the back of the shoe, the Nike Air. Also, this shoe have lace locks. 2 pair of extra shoestrings. Look at that, white and cream color. Yeah, man, I bought these shoes, man, on I'm on Maniere website, and I was excited because I seen the resale value damn near $1,000, man, before they dropped. And man, I just started seeing that resale value go down, down, down. I'm like, man, I think I just took an L. I'm gonna have to hold these for a while and wait for the resale value to go up. I recently went on StockX, seen them going for $330, size 11.5. That's what these are, 11.5. And I'm like, damn, because I wanted to flip them instantly, you know what I'm saying? If I flip them now, I'm just getting my money back. So, your boy take an L, man. I'm not a huge fan of 5s. I don't like how they look on feet. I'm big on Jordan 3s. I love Jordan 3s, man. And I will be getting those. I'm gonna have my wife give me those Jordan 3, the white and red ones for Christmas. I forgot the name of those. But yeah, anyway, a lot of people love these shoes, man. A lot of people love these shoes, man. And they just don't do nothing for your boy, man. I ain't knocking nobody who like these, man. I ain't even tripping if somebody come and say, Trey, you tripping. It is what it is. I like what I like, and I just bought these flip. So I'm gonna put them back in the box and just sit on them, man, and just see what happens. But yeah, they don't do nothing for me, so ain't no use for your boy keeping these, all right? So what say y'all? Are these shoes hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.